Our first thought goes to Father Antonio João de Miranda, who 150 years ago planted this small planted this small seed that has grown. But he was a great visionary who in those days, when there were hardly any healthcare facilities, taught of the sick, of the poor, of the needy, and faced all challenges. We celebrate 150 years of this journey of dedication. My appreciation to all those who have been part of this journey. And we are so happy that this dream is alive. It is growing from excellence to excellence, that new premises where there will be new infrastructural facilities.
Of the government to retain this place, especially the chapel. And whatever needs to be done in this, we will certainly do. I do hope that the transition into the new premises is also smooth, and at the same time new challenges that are coming up will be taken by health department. Now the health department has become Goinkar free, rest everyone chargeable. It is not bad, but the Goinkars need to get good service.